Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in this week. Today's adventure is part 2 of our Adirondack Canoe camping adventure. If you haven't watched part 1, it's worth your time, I promise. Check it out right up there. I'll wait. No, really, this video is awesome. John invents breakfast appetizers, so if you're not sure what that is, stick around. And we break down camp and go on a hike up Lowe's Ridge. So stick around, it's definitely an awesome adventure, and thanks for watching. Good morning, everyone. We've got the fire going. Mike's trying to get out of bed. He's trying to find the motivation to get out into the bugs. We're gonna get some breakfast going soon, but I think everybody's trying to break down so that we don't have to have motivation later on to do stuff. So I slept well. I think John slept pretty well. Rob, you slept well? Yeah. Mike is still partially sleeping, so I think he's pretty good too. But yeah, we're gonna get camp cleaned up, get some breakfast on, and then start the day.
All right, so we had some extra dessert last night, so we turned dessert into breakfast appetizers. So we got our bananas with our marshmallow and Rolos in them. Let's check that out. Woo! I think I'm gonna let that cool down for a second before I actually put it in my mouth, but that looks pretty freaking delicious right there. It's like a banana soup. Oh yeah. No, that's really, really good.
Oh my God. Every single, yeah, that off of all the things that you've made, I think this tops it, man.
This is, I think, the best.
Yeah.
I mean, the sushi was good, but it's different.
That's really tasty.
This is just really, really good.
Wow. Tell us about these eggs.
They're eggs that come from chickens. They came from my chickens from the backyard, so they are fresh eggs.
That's super
Which are
manly.
the best.
Super manly.
The bugs are coming to get you, Barbara. Death of a chair. Oh, that's really cool. Yeah.
All right, we're getting ready to send off from camp and head over to Lowe's Estate and do the Lowe's Ridge hike. So that should be a good time. Shouldn't take us too long, and I hear the views up on top are incredible. So we're not quite done yet.
Successful launch of the SS Ginger.
where I look over my family at the fireplace. And I say, plebs, do thy bidding.
So I don't know if you can see right up there, that's Lowe's Ridge. Yeah. We're gonna be making our way up there and having a good view.
Wait, why would you do that?
So we're making our way up. We're probably halfway up, I would say. Maybe
I don't think that
4/10 of a way up.
We're almost halfway there.
We're almost halfway there-ish. And the initial climb out of the upper dam area is fairly steep, not a problem. Mike actually decided to turn back. His legs were already burning, so he would not have been happy about this. So we're gonna keep going that way and show you more of the trail. I always have a problem with when you're going up to a viewpoint and the trail starts descending.
Yeah, I'm wondering that because in the viewpoint that way.
Yeah, we're going around. There's trail markers, so we're okay. But
this could be a different trail.
It's not.
This is the 8-mile loop trail.
Slippery stuff.
We were commenting earlier that the bugs didn't seem so bad. Well, we found them. They were on the other side of the mountain. Oof. They're swarming us, and if we're not moving fast enough, we're getting eaten alive. June is an interesting time in the Adirondacks, folks.
First battle scar. Sounds when you try to avoid mud.
Getting there. Almost to the top. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is why we do this.
Should I do some yoga? Yeah, that was a pretty good mile right there. That was good.
Oh, that's good.
Oh man, this view is definitely incredible. And it was a good mile up, a lot of up, but definitely worth it. If you can get up here, I promise you won't be disappointed. This is awesome. I don't know if you can see them, but there's a little canoe on the Bog River down there. That's awesome. Perspective. What'd you think, Rob?
It's a nice view.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Worth the effort?
Sure. I like being able to see the stream that we canoed in on. That's kind of cool from up here.
It is nice. All right, so we've been up here for a little bit, enjoyed the views, got some drinks, and now it's time to head back down to the boat launch at the upper dam rather, and get going home. I think. Pretty wicked. Root there. We're making really good time down from the ridge back down to the upper dam estate. Just want to take a moment, since the guys are up there, to say this trip has been incredible. It's always good to get out with your buddies, even if it's for a couple days. Go do something that everybody has a little bit of enjoyment in. You know, introduce some people to something new, which is great. I'm pretty amped that Mike decided to come out, spend his birthday doing something that is completely foreign to him. That's awesome. This is the first time I've gotten out with Rob, which is very cool. Definitely something we'll be doing some more of, I hope, in the future. And you know John's a staple of the channel now, I think. I love hanging out with the guy. He always brings entertainment to the show. So yeah, we're almost down to the canoes. We're going to reapply some sunscreen, some bug spray, filter some water, and paddle it's almost 3 miles back down the river to the parking area. So stick around. Never know what's going to happen.
Wow.
Ahoy!
All right, we made it back. The trip was awesome.
Yeah.
John says it wasn't awesome, but it was awesome
Oh,
unless...
flicking my head like a dog.
So it was awesome. He's just a dog.
That's fantastic.
Had a really good time with these guys, and I don't think they're too terribly broken. Maybe a little bit broken for today and probably tomorrow, but overall I think we had a great time. What do you think, Mike, overall?
It's great. Fantastic.
Yeah? Would you be doing it again?
Yeah,
Yeah?
absolutely.
Awesome.
There are a couple of things I know I would take extra, like a beanie cap
Mm-hmm.
and nuclear-powered bug spray. But otherwise, I mean, yeah.
Good.
Rock on.
Awesome. That's the idea.
You definitely see the nature lore.
What about you, Rob?
That was a good time. I think I lost a quarter blood, but I think a couple of quality of life items I would pick up, but got to sleep in a hammock overnight for the first time, and that was pretty cool. Not bad.
Awesome.
So yeah, definitely do it again. It was a good time.
John, you're my tripping buddy.
Campsite was awesome. Bananas are happening like every time now. Bananas, Rolos, and marshmallows. That's happening all the time. And this trip finally sealed the deal on what kind of watercraft I'll have. There's no way I'm buying a canoe. Kayak is definitely happening. Now I just need to decide if it's a one-man kayak or a two-person kayak. But it is so much better kayaking than canoeing. F this thing.
Oh, that's excellent. Like I said, I had a great time, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, if you could do the YouTube thing, like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, that would be awesome. But more importantly, try and get outside and do something awesome every single day. Till next week.